her in cuffs. Hey, put her in cuffs. It's just for right now because she's not being calm.
Welcome back to Advocacy Alchemy with Professor Ross. Today we have a good one, guys. We're diving into an incident that starts as a simple disagreement on a Florida beach, but quickly escalates, drawing in law enforcement and raising questions about disorderly conduct, public intoxication, and battery. Let's break it all down together, step by step. As we watch this unfold, pay attention to the decisions being made by both the individuals involved and the officers. We'll circle back to analyze how these moments fit into the framework of the law.
They had an issue, she punched me in my face.
Well, why? There was a start from the beginning. There's got to be a reason. No one just comes up to you and punches you in the face.
Because she thought we were I don't even know.
So she came up to you and just hit you for no reason?
She thought we were being, I guess, excessive. So we haven't done anything. We just got back here from walking on the beach.
Okay.
Can we leave? I'm not dealing with
there's
cops.
an allegation of a crime. So
okay, well, I'm leaving.
You can't leave right now. I gotta figure out what to do.
Okay, well, it's only me. They can leave. It's only me.
Okay, 1 second. I gotta get your... Ma'am, I'm here.
telling them to take my keys and leave.
Just wait. We're not done talking.
I'm not
What's
doing
your first
shit.
name?
They have nothing to do with it.
Okay,
she
I'm
punched
just talking
me in my
to you right
face and I want to press charges on her ass. Emily, take my keys and leave. Go.
Actually, no, stay right there.
No, they have nothing to do with it.
What's your date of birth, Ashley?
She's on probation. I'm not doing this shit. They punched me in my face for no reason.
Let me just talk to her for a second. Just back
up.
Go. Don't push her away. Just let me...
Go. You're not going to jail.
Talk to my partner.
I will. I'll go to jail. You're not. Go.
No one's going to jail. Talk to him for a second.
No, you're not.
All right, talk to me. Talk to me. What's going on?
That lady just randomly pushed my sister.
Okay.
So I went
Who is she to you?
self-defense. She's my sister.
She's your sister?
Yeah.
And she pushed you? She pushed your
No,
sister?
no. That big bitch. Right there. Yes, she pushed my sister first.
Okay, why?
She was trying to protect her 6-year-old child right there.
What do you mean protect?
Don't just ask her. That's what she said. And she was like, I'm just trying to protect her. And she's like,
So she just randomly walked up to your sister and pushed her?
yeah. No, we were getting at it at first.
There has to be something more to it.
Yeah.
So what kind of started it?
I don't really actually know, but...
There's more to it.
No, there's more to it, but all I know is she put her hands on my sister first.
Okay, but why?
I don't know.
Nobody just walks up to somebody on the beach and just starts fighting.
I know.
There's more to it.
Yeah,
so.
no, there was confrontation before.
About what? Was it sand, drinking, littering? Something caused it. What? I'm not saying your sister did something wrong, but I'm just saying what kind of started it.
Just had to deal with her. I don't know. I couldn't tell you exactly. I'm sorry. I'm
just nervous?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm yeah.
I don't know.
I hear you. What lady was it?
It was the big ass bitch who punched me in my face.
Get up in her face, starting shit though. You didn't go.
I didn't go in her face. She came up and punched me. You're gonna defend the bitch.
Stop.
She don't like the police.
It's all right, but she needs to cooperate.
I know.
Because I need to figure out what the
She's
hell's
not
going on.
going to, though.
Can you tell me what happened?
Yeah. I don't even know. I think she just didn't like us when we got here.
Where were you guys?
We were right there on our little things, on our floaties.
She just came up to you?
Yeah.
What was the reason?
I don't even know. When I tell you, I don't even know.
You said there was
The
a little
moment-
bit of a confrontation.
It
Yeah,
was.
just explain it.
I have no issues. They're all defending her. Take me to jail. Because they ain't going. Because I'm the one that had an issue.
You know that?
I know both of them. But they were in the issue. It was me and only me.
Alright, well, we just gotta
And defend your little bitch who punched me in the face.
She didn't do anything but try to stop you.
Oh, really? Because I was a fight of 21. I ain't got time for that shit. I ain't got time for that shit.
Are we done here?
At least a
Are
march.
we done?
Yeah, we're done.
Ashley!
Put her in cuffs. Hey, put her in cuffs. It's just for right now because she's not being calm.
Put her in cuffs.
I know, I am, because she's not being calm.
No, she doesn't like the police.
Take me to jail.
We're done.
Emily, bail me out. Because I didn't do shit. No, I didn't. Bail me out. Because I didn't do shit.
You got too drunk. That's what you did.
No,
today.
I didn't. I'm not drunk.
Hey, Tahara, go with me.
You want me to blow in the breathalyzer?
No.
Hey, man.
So my niece was watching our kids out in the water. The lady was laying here and she started cussing and saying, You big goggle-eyed wearing bitch, why are you watching me
her?
staring at me? Yes. And she said, I'm watching my kids out here. She gets up and she just keeps cussing, and she walks this way.
Okay.
There was a little push between us both, and I will not lie. I mean, I'm not going to lie. I did swing because she pushed.
Okay. So she got up and...
She was right in here.
And she got in your space and she pushed you back?
Yes.
Like with her chest or her hands?
Hands. And I
Pushed you
just
back, and
went
that's
to
when
swing.
you hit her?
I did.
Okay. That's fine.
I ain't
Do
gonna
you
lie.
have ID on you, man, by any chance? I just got to report this thing just because there was physical contact. Doesn't mean anybody's going to jail. I just got to...
I don't like drama like this.
For
but
sure,
I do
for
protect
sure.
my grandkids.
100%. 100%. And you're okay? You're not hurt at all? Everybody's okay?
Everybody's fine.
Who would be my best witness? Who was there during this whole thing?
Robbie, Tia,
Whoever wants to, I just need one witness. Anybody?
Robbie.
Robbie? Hey, Rob, can I talk to you? Sorry, sir. No problem. Can you tell me what happened, sir? Why?
Yes, sir. We have children. The little kids are in the water. All the adults are up here. They're getting water. Strong current, so we're staring, watching the kids like you should.
For sure.
These people just happen to be next to us. We're looking past them.
Yeah, you're in there.
So they start flipping the bird, cussing us out, yelling at my pregnant wife here, saying, "Why are you quit staring? I'll give you something to stare at." Then she got up and defended and just said, "Please stop. This is my niece. You don't need to."
So here's my question: Who pushed who?
She came up and got up in the grill.
In the grill?
Yeah.
Did you witness her pushing her first?
Yes.
And then she defended.
Yeah, defending.
That's all I need to hear. Okay, guys, so this is what's gonna happen. These nice people don't want to press any charges. There's no injuries really on anybody.
No,
they just want to enjoy the rest of the time at the beach, okay?
That's what
a
we
little
were
bit of
trying to do.
alcohol, I understand. But listen, she's out of here.
I know.
Like right now. Where are you guys from?
Newport Richie.
Marksmen are locked up and
You guys are listen.
disorderly. The way she's acting right now, disorderly.
She doesn't like the police.
Yeah, she's making that improvement.
no one
Is
does.
this your...
Her behavior, intoxicated behavior, she's gonna go to jail for disorderly intox, okay?
No.
Yes.
No.
We're gonna bond her out.
Yeah, you can do it within a few hours.
Yeah. Can I take the charge for her so she can
I'm
fucking
sorry,
leave?
man.
It doesn't work.
Listen, it's just
That's very admirable to do. I
it's just a disorderly intox. It's
Can I
for real.
see
It's
her?
It's not like if she can leave,
Can I
I
see
can fucking
her?
go for her.
Not right now, man. So she's gonna be
Can I
go
see
to
her,
Pinellas
though?
County Jail. Let me see how she is. I haven't seen her yet. She's been kind of rowdy, so I can't. Okay. All right. So that's what she's gonna be. Give it a few hours. You go pick her up. Okay.
Getting arrested for no reason.
You are very mean.
I don't give a you think I'm
You are not
intoxicated.
being a lady.
I don't care if I'm not being a lady. She punched me in my mother.
How old are you?
Got you to say that shit.
How old are you?
I'm 21.
I'm gonna call your parents and tell them.
I don't have parents. My parents are f***ing dead.
I'm sorry to hear it.
Call them because they're f***ing dead.
Well, I'm sorry to hear that.
I did CPR on them. So fucking call them. Because no one's gonna fucking answer.
What's your first name?
I don't. I'm not giving you.
Well,
I did CPR on my parents.
Drinking.
Her
Why?
bones cracked.
Why are you drinking when you're on medication like that?
I had two.
You're not supposed to have anything. You know that, right?
I don't give a f- I'm drinking. Hell yeah, I am.
Well, this is why.
Am I driving? No. The bitch punched me in my
Yeah,
face.
but you're not in the right state of mind because you're taking
I'm in a perfect
medication.
state of mind. I'm f***ing sober.
Well, you're taking medication and
I'm
drinking.
taking medications for depression and
And
anxiety.
drinking.
Nothing has to do with drinking.
And drinking on top of that's not good.
Oh, yes, I am, honey.
Then you really care.
My life is over.
It's not over. I promise you, your life is not over.
My life is over. She punched me in the goddamn face. I wouldn't react like this if she didn't. She punched me in her ass and go to jail because I'm taking her ass to court. Record it. Hello. Hi. I hope his ass loses his job because I got punched in the face and I'm getting taken to jail. Hello.
This is good.
Hello. I hope his ass goes to jail because I'm taking you guys to court. Yes, I am. Take me to jail. You think I give a on jail? My whole family went to jail. You think I give a
Hey, you're gonna hurt yourself. Relax.
Take me to jail.
We're
Hurry the out. I'm a piece of shit bitch and I'm gonna bust out your window while I'm at it.
That's not nice.
You think I'm
Why are you so
piece
angry?
of shit? You act like you're entitled.
That's what I am.
That's why I'm getting bailed out tonight, bitch. Old ass man. I hope he gets
Ashley, it's me, Ashley. Come on. I'm gonna take you to my car. You okay, honey? All right, I got you. I'm here. I'll take care of you, okay? You okay? All right, I got you, honey. Come on, you're with me. I'll take care of you, okay? It's okay, honey. I'm with you. I'm with you, okay? Let's go, honey. Let's go. You're gonna be okay, all right?
No, I don't want to be near him.
No, it's me.
I don't want to be near him.
It's me.
I don't want to be near him. I'm taking you to court. Give me your badge number.
Okay,
I'm taking you to court. Don't touch me.
Ashley, it's okay.
Don't touch me.
You gonna kick me?
Yeah.
Ashley, stop it.
Knock it off. You just got a battery charge.
See what
Let's
happens?
go.
Give a no, thank you.
Oh, yeah, I kind of. You're right.
You do not kick me.
I don't give a
Okay, come on.
I don't want to see him. He's
All right,
hurting me.
I'm gonna get you in my car. Hold
He's
on.
hurting me. Can you let go?
Stop kicking, okay? Can you move my car up? Back up a little bit, Ashley.
Please.
You are not going to kick a police officer. Do you understand that?
No. You let go.
No, because you keep kicking
You
me.
are not going to kick me again.
I promise. This hurts.
Get in the car calmly.
Don't
I'm
kick me,
taking
all right?
you to
Get in the car
There
calmly.
you go.
Get your leg in the car.
We'll take care of
the
this,
court.
okay?
I'm taking him.
Ashley, just calm down.
He's going to court. The way he just.
Okay, listen, I need you to calm down. I need you to talk to me. What happened? What's the complaint?
I didn't do anything. They punched me in my face.
Who punched you?
The people.
The people on the beach? Okay,
I didn't even hit them.
okay. Now, what's your complaint on the officer?
He just manhandled me. He's going to court. Regardless, I'm taking him. I'm taking him to court.
Well, listen, that's fine. That's your right. Oh, everything's on
He
body.
manhandled me.
Listen, everything's on body camera.
Good.
So
his ass is going
that's
to
what I'm letting you
court.
know. Everything's
Can
on
I
body
have
camera.
his badge number and his name once I get in jail?
You'll get everything. Okay, I just need
I
you to
want
listen.
him
Ashley,
to go to court.
I need you to calm down. What I'm going to have the officer do is put this window up and turn the air conditioning up for you, okay, to keep you cool, all right?
I was going to school for veterinary. That's done for me.
You're still going to school for veterinarian.
No, I'm not.
Ashley, what happens from this moment forward is
I
gonna,
just fake reacted to my sister. You don't understand. My mom just.
deep breath, okay? He's gonna roll this window up and put the air
Why am I
conditioning
going
up.
What happened? I talked to your sister, right? Hold on, you okay? You okay? Okay, relax. I talked to your sister. She said that, okay, you guys are just sitting down.
We weren't
relaxing.
doing anything.
Now, your sister said this, that you got up and you looked at the lady behind you. What are you staring at for, that you started saying stuff to her?
No.
Because she was staring at you. Did you get upset about that because she was staring at you?
I don't give a fuck if anybody's
What I'm saying is that what started all this? You thought they were staring at you? So,
Maybe.
Okay, so your sister said that you said something to them, it got a heated argument. And then
She
you,
wants me. I know.
Then she told me, let me tell you what everyone told me around. That you honey, but I gotta tell you what they told me. I know, listen, all you told me was that she punched you. You didn't give me no details. Your sister, a little bit more sober.
It doesn't matter that
Hold on.
you just fucking
Hold on.
manhandled
Listen,
me.
I'm gonna get to all
And
that.
I'm taking
I'm gonna
him to
get to all
court.
that.
I
All
don't
right,
give a
that's
fuck
fine.
about the situation. He's
So
going to court.
your sister who was with you said this. You went up to her because you thought she was staring at you. You
No,
started
she had
arguing
an
with them.
issue from the get-go.
But you guys were arguing, and then the grandma came in the picture, and then everyone said that you shoved the grandma, and so the grandma shoved you back.
No, the bitch shoved her, and then
Let me tell you something. Your sister said the same thing.
I don't care.
Your stepbrother said the same thing.
I don't give a fuck what they said.
You're a little drunk, Ashley, so you may not remember. You would have been out. You would have
He
been
was
with your
a
family.
dick.
I understand, Ashley, but you have to understand, it doesn't give you the right to act crazy with us.
But it doesn't give me, you guys as homes, the right to treat people.
I know, but you were the one that started it, though. It wasn't us. You started yelling at us and screaming, and you wouldn't calm down. Then it's all on you. Okay?
And I'll never support them ever again.
And that's how you start. You start limiting. Oh, I'm sorry. I was with her. Yeah. All right. So remember, whenever you deal with police, they're really loose.
He didn't deserve cooperation.
I know.
Can I have it?
Yeah, I'm gonna get you sit down. I'm gonna throw it on. I'm gonna throw it on you.
That's where I sit.
Yeah. Oh, you okay? You okay? She's all right.
Yes, nice and cool.
Here you go, hon. Here you go. Okay. Good luck to you, Ashley. Okay.
So Ashley, before you get out, we're going to have an orange suit for you.
Okay, Ashley. Good luck to you, Ashley. Okay.
Now, let's get into the legal framework. This case revolves around two primary charges: disorderly conduct and battery. Both of these hinge on specific elements of Florida law, and it's important to understand the potential consequences of each. Disorderly conduct. This is found at the Florida statute section 877.03. This includes behavior that corrupts public morals, outrages public decency, or disrupts public peace. The punishment. Disorderly conduct is classified as a second-degree misdemeanor in Florida, punishable by up to 60 days in jail and a fine of up to $500. Battery. This is found at section 784.03. This occurs when someone intentionally touches or strikes another person against their will or causes bodily harm. The punishment. Simple battery is a first-degree misdemeanor. It's punishable by up to 1 year in jail, 12 months of probation, and a fine of up to $1,000. However, penalties can increase if there are aggravating circumstances, such as prior offenses or a serious injury. In this case, both charges carry significant consequences, even though they're misdemeanors. These penalties reflect the state's emphasis on maintaining public peace and deterring harmful behavior. Now, let's see how the officers assess the situation and apply the laws. To understand how law enforcement and the courts approach these cases, we need to discuss the evidentiary standards. These are the benchmarks used to determine how much evidence is needed to take action. Let's go through them briefly and apply them to this incident. Number 1, mere suspicion. The lowest standard. Mere suspicion is a gut feeling with no concrete evidence. An example, an officer might notice one party acting nervously but wouldn't have enough to investigate further. Number 2, reasonable suspicion. This standard requires specific facts suggesting criminal activity. An example is the officer observed loud arguing and signs of intoxication, giving them grounds to intervene. Number 3, probable cause. This standard means there's enough evidence for a reasonable person to believe a crime was committed. An example, the physical altercation and witness statements provided probable cause for an arrest. Number 4, preponderance of the evidence. This standard is used in civil cases, and it means that the evidence shows it's more likely than not that something occurred, 51%. An example, if there was a civil dispute, one party's testimony and video evidence might tip the scales. Number 5, clear and convincing evidence. This is the higher standard than preponderance of the evidence, but not as strict as beyond a reasonable doubt. This is usually considered 75% of the evidence is needed to point toward liability. For example, in a hearing to revoke bail, clear and convincing evidence of escalating behavior could be required. Number 6, beyond a reasonable doubt. The highest standard used in criminal trials to prove guilt. A good example is to convict someone of battery, the prosecution would need to show clear video and testimony that the act was intentional. This case is a clear example of how quickly things can escalate and how the law steps in to restore order. From mere suspicion to beyond a reasonable doubt, each standard plays a role in ensuring fairness and accountability. At the end of the day, incidents like these remind us of the importance of staying calm, even in tense situations. The law is there to protect us, but we must also respect it. If you've enjoyed this breakdown, hit the subscribe button and join our growing community at Advocacy Alchemy. Share your thoughts in the comments below. What are your thoughts on what should have been done differently here? With that, this is Advocacy Alchemy with Professor Ross. I'll see you tomorrow. Have a good day.